Good morning students. In this class we are going to learn combined shapes. Okay. So in our daily life we use infinitely many things with the shapes like circles, triangles, square, rectangle, rhombus, etc. Okay. See the picture. What do we observe from the above pictures? This one is glass window. See the combined shape. What are the shapes are given in this glass window? Semicircle and rectangle. And this model house is triangle, parallelogram and rectangle. And invitation card is semicircle and square. Okay, two or more plane figures joined with the sides of a same measure give rise to combined shapes. This is the definition of combined shapes. Next one, perimeter of combined shapes. The perimeter of a combined shape is the sum of all the length of the sides that form a closed boundary. The perimeter of a combined shape is the sum of all the length of the sides that form a closed boundary. Okay. Then area of combined shape. Area of the combined shape is, to find the area of combined shape, split the combined shape into non-similar shapes to find their area separately and then add them up. Okay. So you want the area of this combined shape, then split the combined shape into non-similar shapes. Here having similar shape is triangle and square. So split the combined shape into two similar shapes. Find their area separately. Find the area of the triangle and the area of the square. Then we add this two value. We get the combined shape area. Listen some formulas. Area of the triangle, already you know the formula, half into base into height, and the perimeter of the triangle is sum of all the three sides. Then equilateral triangle area is root 3 by 4a square and the perimeter is 3a, because in a quadrilateral all the sides are equal, so sum of the three sides is 3a. Then quadrilateral area is half into d into h1 plus h2. Completed this one in the geometry part. Area of the quadrilateral is 1 by 2 into d into h1 plus h2, and the perimeter is sum of all the four sides. Then parallelogram. Parallelogram is perimeter is 2 into a plus b and the area is b into h. This is the base and find out the h. This one perpendicular line. So parallelogram area is base into height. Then rectangle area already you are learned in your earlier classes. Length into breadth and the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Trapezium is half into h into a plus b and perimeter is sum of all the four sides. Then rhombus is half into d1 into d2 and perimeter of the rhombus is 4a. Then square area is a square and the perimeter is, we add all the sides, four sides, so 4 into a. Listen example 2.5. Find the perimeter and the area of the given figure. Pi value is 22 by 7. See the figure. See the combined shapes. What are the shapes are combined? This one, circular quadrant. Okay. This one quadrant of the circle. How many quadrant of the circle are gave in this figure? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circular quadrants and the middle shape is square. So 1 square and 4 circular quadrant. Okay. The given measure is, the diagram inside given 3.5 centimeter. You see your book also. Okay, page number 62. So you find out the perimeter of this combined figure. What's the formula perimeter? Add all the sides of the boundaries. Okay. So we add all the side. So 4 into length of the arcs of the quadrant of a circle plus 4 into radius. 4 into radius is this one. Okay. The square. 4 into a or 4 into radius. So length of the arcs of the quadrant of a circle. Already you know the perimeter of a circle formula. What's the formula? 2 pi r. But this one is quadrant. Quadrant is 1 by 4th part. So 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. This is the length of the arcs of the quadrant. One of the quadrant is 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. Here having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quadrants. So 4 into 1 by 4 into 2 pi r plus 4 into the side a or radius r. Okay. So substitute the values. So 4 into 1 by 4 into 2 pi r is 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 3.5 plus 4 into here also substitute the r value 3.5. Then 4 and 4 cancelled. Then 2 and 7. The half value of 7 is 3.5. Okay, 3.5. So 3.5 and 3.5 cancelled. Only get 22. Okay. Then here you find out the multiplication of 3.5 into 4. We get 14. So we add 22 plus 14. 36 centimeter is the perimeter of the given combined shape. Next you find out area of the given combined shape. Area is area of the square in the middle shape square. So area of the square plus 4 into area of the quadrant of the circle. Okay, area of the square plus 4 into area of the quadrant of the circle. Area of the square a square formula. Here 4 into area of the quadrant. Already you know area of the circle formula pi r square. Quadrant is 1 by 4. Okay, so 4 times 4 into 1 by 4 into pi r square. Then substitute the values. 3.5 into 3.5 plus 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So 1 7 is 7. Here you cancel 0.5. 7s are we get 3.5. Because 1 7 is 7. 5 7s are 35. But here 3.5 the number. So write 0.5. Then find out the value of the products. 3.5 into 3.5 is, you find out the product. So you get it 12.25. Or you multiply 35 into 35, we get 1225. So decimal point after 1 digit. Here also decimal point after 1 digit. Totally how many digits? 2 digits. So 2 digits before you take the point. So 12.25 plus multiply 22 into 3.5. So multiply 35 into 22, you get 770. So 1 digit after we write the decimal point. Okay, because 3.5, the point after only 1 digit. So 1 digit before you take the point, we get 77. Now you find out the product of 77 into 0.5. So you multiplied 77 into 5, we get 385. But this one is 0.5. So decimal point after only 1 digit. So 1 digit before you take the point. 38.5. Now we add these two numbers, 12.25 and 38.5. We get 50.75 centimeter square. Okay, 50.75 centimeter square. You know the addition or listen? 12.25 plus 38.5. So 38.5. Here not having any number. So 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Here's 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 balance. So 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. So the answer is 50.75 centimeter square. Don't read 75. Decimal point after we read 75. So 50.75 centimeter square is the answer.